Guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to use hibiscus powder for all your issues like itchy scalp, dandruff and baldness, the main issue the hair fall, premature graying hairs. For all these things here I brought one excellent remedy which is the hibiscus hair mask. So the hibiscus is having lot of benefit guys. As you all know guys, it will stimulate hair growth, lost hair volume and luster over the years. It will work as a conditioner to your hairs. The chemical present in the most of the shampoo strip the hair away from its natural oil. It will prevent the baldness, it will treat the dandruff and itchy scalp also. It will prevent from the premature aging also. So hibiscus is good for our hairs, and as well as there are nowadays we can able to get the hibiscus oil also, which will helps to stop hair loss and it will makes our hair healthy and lustrous, prevents premature graying and gives you thickened hair also. So here I have taken the Alps Goodness hibiscus powder. Try to get the good brand, because here we are using the home remedy, means it is not like that we can use any of the brand, we want the best. So we are doing the home remedies. If you are not able to get it guys, simple thing, you just collect the hibiscus flowers and keep it for dry and then make a powder. That is the best I will say, but as of now I do not have. If I will able to get that one, sure I will make that only. So here I have taken Alps Goodness hibiscus powder 3 to 4 teaspoon according to your hairs. I have short hair, so I have taken this much of powder. So you have to take it first in a clean bowl, 3 to 4 spoon of hibiscus powder. This powder here I am going to add yogurt. Yogurt is good for our hairs. It is having antifungal properties which will soothe the scalp, and often dandruff can leads in an itchy scalp also. It is having pH level, it prevents hair fall, it moistures your hairs and it will makes your hairs shiny, and it will works as a good conditioner. Here I have taken 2 to 3 spoon of yogurt, as much as you require. It is not like that much means that much only, it is not nothing quantity, nothing else. How much is your hair length, according to that you have to use and you can add the ingredients according to that. So my third ingredient here I am going to use is aloe vera. Here I have taken fresh aloe vera leaf. If you are not having fresh aloe vera, you can use the market one which is available in the market. There are many brands, try to get the best one. So as you all know guys, aloe vera will work for our hairs like controlling greasy hairs. It will help an itchy scalp, it will protect from the UV damage and it will gives you hair growth. And also aloe vera is having many ingredients like minerals that can help to strengthen your hair growth also. So here I have taken the gel from the aloe vera, and here I am going to add 2 to 3 spoon of fresh aloe vera gel. If you are not having, you can same as I have told you, the same 2 to 3 spoon of aloe vera gel also you can add in it. Aloe vera not only is good for hair, but also it is good for our skin also. That is why aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzyme which will repair the dead skin cells on the scalp. That is the main important thing that will works as a good conditioner. So I have added in it and I am going to mix all these ingredients well. Mixing is the very important part of any of the home remedies guys. If you are not mixing, you will not get that benefit which I got. But not least, here I am going to use lemon. Here I have taken half a lemon. Just squeeze the lemon and get the benefit of it, because lemon is having vitamin C which helps in the production of collagen and boost hair growth, and also it will get rid of dandruff also. So mix all these ingredients, apply on your hairs and leave it for 30 to 45 minutes and then wash it off normal water. I hope this will be very useful for you. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Bye.